Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's get spooky with Halloween custard buns. Start with 175 grams of cake flour, make a well in the middle, add 1 teaspoon of yeast and half a cup of water. Then use your hands to mix it all together and form a dough. There. Cover with cling wrap, let it rest for 30 minutes, and in a fresh bowl add 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of water, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it together. Then add in 75 grams of cake flour and 60 grams of sugar. Mix using a spatula. Then place the rested dough into it and mix it all together using your hands. Finally, add 25 grams of room temperature butter and mix that in. Place the dough on a chopping board and slice into 4 portions. Add food colouring to each. We're doing purple, yellow, orange and green. Next, melt 200 grams of white chocolate and pour on 150 grams of whipping cream. Whisk that up. Separate into 4 equal portions and add food colouring to each. Chill those for 10 minutes and they should scoop out easily like this. Take each colour and roll into balls. Just pop those aside and then get your coloured dough. We're starting with purple and we're adding a green ball in the middle, covering it over with the dough. Pop that into a cupcake holder, let it rest for 1 hour and then steam for 10 minutes. And repeat with all of the colours. Now for the fun part. Let's decorate using melted dark and white chocolate. Making facial features. We can also use edible ink and other decorations. Once they're all done, just press them down and let the insides ooze out. Absolutely gory. Perfect for Halloween. Enjoy!